Okay, so basically, Agnes got back from Japan and Taiwan, and she just brought back a lot of foods. So we're gonna test it out. So the first thing that she gave us a try is this Kit Kat. Eat it. Is this spicy? Eat it. Is it gross?
It smells like green tea.
I don't know if it's gross.
他戴眼镜，所以我不认识他。
Oh,
我还以为
Yeah,
是别
I
人
think it's
呢。
blurry.
yeah.
What it is, but it looks like green
3,
tea.
2, 1.
I don't think Gates would actually know the flavor at first. I don't know.
Hanyu. Cantaloupe.
What is it? You know? Yeah, she knows what it is.
Taste it.
You only can taste it when you know what it is. It's not a fruit.
It's not?
No.
Is this seaweed?
No.
What is it?
Wasabi.
Wasabi.
It doesn't taste like it until you like.
It's
know
not
what it
spicy,
is.
but I taste like the weird
Yeah.
bitterness thing.
I gave
so
her
It
one.
tastes good.
I'm still eating it.
Okay.
What is this?
Wait. What is this? It smells like medicine.
Oh.
I'm taking medicine.
Okay, she like.
I don't want to finish this, but it's interesting. It's not that bad.
So this is this.
Beer.
Okay. Kampai.
Try it.
You're just drinking the foam.
Oh.
It tastes like the real
I
thing.
don't know what to think. It's like carbonated water.
Yeah, carbonated water. Yeah, yeah. Interesting.
I don't.
My
try
Japanese
to
is so
read it.
my Japanese
Try
is so
reading it.
limited.
What does that mean? Ume? Do you not remember what that means? Ume? What the heck is ume? Ramen. Ramen means what? No. Stop. Ume? Okay, start it.
Judging by the picture.
This doesn't look good. This guy
Hey,
looks
hey,
scary.
hey.
It looks like this. I don't know what that is.
Ramen up. 1, 2, 3. Why is 2 up?
It's plum.
Is it plum?
It's plum.
Whoa, that is so weird.
So they're trying.
Wait,
this.
is this gum?
Not gum?
This is candy.
Chewy candy. Eat
I
it.
smell the carbonation. It's like,
Eat it.
Okay. Tastes like gum. Is it gum? No, I think it's gum. It tastes like carbonated stuff. I'm pretty sure still. I think it's gum, but...
Spit it out later.
Wow, too much kanji.
it's
like
good.
gum.
It's pretty good. It's like sweet.
This is right
Reminds
here,
me of-
gum.
Oh, oops.
Bagamu.
Okay, now look at your tongue. Look at your
Wait. Oh my god.
That's the point of the thing.
No.
Hooray. Now we have this one. It's Colorado.
What is that? Is
I
this,
need-
have I had this before? Oh my gosh, it's this thing.
What?
Eat it.
It's a grape.
Oh. Oh. It broke.
It's like boba, but more boba.
This one.
Yes,
is
I
upside
love
down.
savory food.
No, flip it.
Other way. It looks like bacon.
It tastes like, it's like fishy. Fish. Fried fish.
Ah. Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it.
Now we have these.
What is that?
It's
Far.
umai.
Oh my.
Yep. Okay. Here. I know this is mine.
It looks
I
like
knew.
sketchy men.
They're like cheese puffs, but this one I got flavors. So
You got different flavors. Oh!
guess what the flavor is.
Spicy.
There's like different flavors.
Mhm. Yours is cow tongue. Hers is natto. Natto is like this thing that like neva is like really sticky and like if you've had okra, kind of that like
It's like
stickiness.
cow tongue. I'm still eating it.
You know what natto is, right?
Yeah.
Who?
Ryan Higa.
Oh, I didn't watch that.
What is it?
Takoyaki. Lauren, do you know what that is?
Yeah.
I don't know what it is.
I
Okay.
made it. So it's like this little ball full of weird, interesting things, like squid, octopus. Octopus is
Okay, so this is what it looks like. Yeah.
Oh, this is not what I expected.
Yeah, well, it's not the soft one.
I thought it was a soft one, but it's.
Yeah.
Ready?
Kanpai.
But it's like, it's good. It's kind of addicting. I should see how this is addicting. No. It's not bad, it's just. Oh!
Probably something else. What?
Ew, she's eating something else of her own.
Eat it.
You like it? Interesting.